We've all heard of tech millionaires, but one of the most popular questions asked on the internet right now is, how do you make money from a website? I'm going to share with you the number one way to make money really easily, really quickly through your website, and it's going to really surprise you when you hear it. My name's Fiona from Fact Promotions, where we create websites and online systems to take your organisation to the next level. And the thing I'm going to tell you about that really is going to surprise you is that it's all about your strategy. Okay, so your website strategy is all about what do you want it to achieve? Because if you're in business or if you're trying to raise funding for your charity or non-profit, the way you want to make money through your website is to raise awareness. But that's not what's going to make that till start ringing. The number one thing to do is give something away. Sounds crazy, doesn't it? Sounds completely counterproductive. To give something away for free is a great way to make a connection with people because you're adding value to them. You're giving value to them absolutely free. You're sharing your knowledge, sharing your expertise, sharing your advice, absolutely free of charge. And there's nothing that creates a connection quicker than somebody getting real value from you, because they think you're an expert, they see that you know what you're talking about, and they think you're a generous spirit. And that's the sort of thing that draws other people to you. So that would be my number one thing to do. We advised this recently to a company who create high-end scanner products for orthodontists and the dental industry. And they've got these really high investment, high quality products that they're selling. And I said, what makes you an expert in your field? And they said, oh, well, we know all the objections because we've been in this industry for many, many years. So we know the objections people have to investing in this, and we know all the reasons why they should and how that's going to pay off for them. I said, perfect. Grab all of that, put it into a single sheet, and we can have that as a free download from your website. Now, of course, the website has to be smart because all of our websites have a brain here at Fact Promotions. So what it needed to do was then capture their data, their name, their email, and then automatically follow up with them a few weeks after they've got their free download and say, have you got any other questions, or would you like to speak with one of our sales representatives? This is the easiest way to make money through your website, because we all know it's not about you, it's about them. It's about the customers you're trying to reach. And if you can add value to them for free before they've even become a customer, you've formed that connection, and that's what turns general browsers into loyal raving fans. If you'd like to find out more about what we can do, look me up at factpromotions.co.uk or hit like and subscribe so you'll be notified next time I put up one of our website insights and answer the questions you ask the most about our industry, because we at Fact Promotions know what we're doing.